Just like that. Today, I'm surprising Mama C with a Dyson. We kept buying the cheap ones and they kept breaking down on us, where this guy comes with a 5-year warranty. And it's supposed to be pretty good as far as performance. So let's see. Hello? Mama C? Hi, sweetie poo. Go, Mama C.
Oh my God, thank you.
That is the big bad boy Dyson.
We needed a vacuum bag.
I know. So let's try this puppy out. Let's put it together and try it out.
This is great. Let's try it out. You want to try it out? Okay. Let's see what comes out of this thing after we finish. Plug this bad boy in.
Here we go.
This carpet is clear.
Let's see what we got.
Right.
Look at this thing. I got someone on my foot. I know we got that. What are you doing?
Katie, do you want to use your Heliquin to see what's inside?
Yeah, let's look what's inside the in the vacuum. From just one bedroom. Look at this collection.
What's in there?
Our other vacuum did not pick up anything like this. Only vacuum, that's for sure.
Look at that hair!
Where? Oh, we got hair in there too.
Hairs. Look at those hairs.
Hairs.
That
Ah.
oh, it's not even out. Oh, gross.
Who needs napkins when you got a Dyson? Clean as a whistle. Just like that. Piece of cake.
Daddy! Quick! Come! There's a cockroach in the bathroom! Quick! Come!
Cockroach? Have no fear. The Dyson is here. Let's suck this little guy up. Yeah, baby. So overall, I gotta say, I give the Dyson a big thumbs up, and I hope you give this video a big thumbs up as well. Now, the only question left is, does the Dyson work on children?